Hey, this is Joe. I'm just coming on here to show some of the techniques that I use to be more present and to help with my nervous system staying in the parasympathetic calm state and out of the fight and flight survival mode state where you feel a lot of anxiety and tension. Um, I've helped and taught others these techniques that have been taught to me. And I'm not doing this as some kind of mentor or guru. I mean, I just want to share what helps with me when I am doing these practices. They really help me uh, stay more level throughout life. And that's something I struggle with. Um, so today I am going to show you about orienting or just being mindful in the present moment, how to bring yourself back into the present moment. I mean, I call it orienting, there's different names for it. I'll just show you the basic techniques. This is something that's innate in all of us and in all animals. Animals do this all the time in nature. You see them stop and smell or taste something or eat something, squirrels in the park and birds do this all the time. Uh, Raccoon, all animals you'll see in the forest. You actually notice this. Your cat, so they're just becoming aware of their own senses. So, I mean, the first thing you can do is what you do is you look back to your back corner, lower corner, and then roll your head with your eyes. Try and look at the back lower corner of the eye, if that makes sense. And then roll your whole eyes. So you just do a neck roll, basically. But as you do it, notice use your visual senses to look at all the different textures on the wall, different colors. I'm noticing my ceiling has the popcorn kind of different texture. The walls. So you could do that for yourself, just to relax, just to break yourself out of whatever. If you've been studying for like hours or at work, just do that once in a while. Do it like once or twice a day, and then after that, then you'll notice the five senses. You've noticed your visual. You've used your visual senses to notice different colors. You've looked around the room, taken a deep breath. And then now go to your other senses. So now you can close your eyes, but now you'll notice the sense of your auditory senses, just sense of hearing. So what do you hear? I hear family members talking downstairs. I hear a car outside. I hear my computer humming. You can list a few of these. Then you'll go into your sense of touch. My hands are warm. I have a little bit of strain and pain in my neck. I feel my butt on the chair. Just a sense of touch or feeling. You just want to notice all your senses. Get used to cycling through your senses because you're a human being, you're an animal, and we're designed that way. But in the world today, I think we're just practically trained to just use our visual senses, and there's tons of visual stimulation all in the world, but it's really not healthy for the brain. So next is touch. The next thing you want to do is your sense of smell. So smell any aroma in the room. I smell my aquarium. There's a fresh smell, some plants. If you can't smell anything, smell your hands. Is there any soap residue? Or just visualize. You can always imagine any of these senses, what your favorite smell is. And then last is taste. So lick your lips. See if there's any flavor, any residual food or something in your mouth. If there's something you can taste, you can like chocolate or gum or something you have in front of you. If not, Again, you can just imagine a flavor, your favorite dessert or something like that. So just tuning into different senses. So yeah, that's basically what orienting is, and just try and incorporate it. I'm not perfect at any of these things. I'm just going to be showing what has helped me the last few years overcome from a nervous system illness. I guess I'll share one more technique. It's called spotlighting. It's very similar. So you could do your neck roll just to get a little bit grounded first. And then you could do something called orienting, which is just the same thing. You're noticing what's external and what's internal inside your body. So internal could mean what your thoughts are, how you're feeling, or actual physical sensations within your body. So like I said, I had neck pain. I could go there. I could be like, I don't have any emotions right now. A little tension maybe in my stomach, maybe because I'm nervous filming this. You know, I always got neck pain, so I noticed that a lot. And then I said spotlight in, now I'll go spotlight out. Okay, what else do I notice that's on the external of me? The computer humming, trees outside, the leaves outside, anything external. Anything external. I got some art on the wall here. And then spotlight in. Okay, what else do I notice internally? Surprisingly, my mind is clear. Maybe because I'm focused on what I'm doing at the moment. Usually I'm an overthinker and I usually am overwhelmed by my thoughts, but I'm in a good place at the moment. So I can just notice that. You can notice nothing too. That's perfectly okay. So you just go about starting to be aware of your own internal dialogue, your own internal sensations within your body and your emotions. Most people don't do this. Most people are just numb going through the world. And I don't think that's healthy for themselves or the human consciousness at large, because we're not designed that way. So maybe just slowly, if I start to share this stuff and start to practice these things myself, then it'll heal, continue my own journey of healing and help heal others in some small way. Okay. Thanks. That's the video for today.